fascinating how similar our two worlds truly are. They both share many wonders. You will discover more of them just ahead. First detected your probes. We scanned them and discovered on board a golden disc containing sounds, images, and messages.
When they were out, I was like, did someone propose? And I was like, no, I just got it.
Is home to some of our most unique residences. Many Xandarians prefer living high above the city with dramatic panoramic views. Others choose our underwater homes with the spectacular vistas of our aquatic world. Xandar is also home to the Nova Corps, whose goal is to maintain universal peace and facilitate the trade of
Each zone contains a Nova Civic Center, entertainment and cultural offerings, merchant shops, dining, education campuses, medical body zones, transportation networks, and Wi-Fi. All fulfilling our
New Xandarian technology was developed exclusively for this vehicle. With enough ships and our skilled Nova Corps pilots, the force field can become nearly impenetrable.
After Centurion comes the rank of Millennials. And this is Millennium Ray Orion, a skilled aeronaut.
So cool. Our world would have been destroyed in the battle with the Kree were it not for the help we received from the Guardians of the Galaxy. I was fortunate to secure this exclusive interview with them.
And I'm also the captain. Captain Leader.
I thought the leader was Star-Lord?
Nah, we don't even think that. And don't call him Star-Lord. His close friends call him Peter J. It wasn't exactly my idea.
Is this the famous Groot?
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayad, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarian's, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go.
What you see before is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Interior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where, when.
Some kind of new jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you know according to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I rerouted the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's King. Where's the King?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. You got this. We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow this thing to get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? Still holding? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm on. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power.
system.